Welcome again, hero fighters. Let's start the training test now.
Who is ultimately responsible for maintaining the sprinkler system and determining the qualifications of the Certificate of Fitness (COF) holder performing inspections? A. The impairment coordinator. B. The fire department. C. The building owner. D. The COF holder. When a fire protection system is out of service, what is a primary duty of fire watch personnel? A. Performing routine maintenance tasks. B. Continuously patrolling the affected area. C. Conducting building security checks. D. Assisting with administrative duties. What is the minimum duration for which records of system inspections, tests, and maintenance must be kept on the premises? A. 1 year. B. 5 years. C. 2 years. D. 3 years. Which condition represents an unplanned out-of-service situation for a sprinkler system? A. A break or major leak in piping. B. Scheduled quarterly testing. C. Planned replacement of sprinkler heads. D. Routine system flushing. What color disc is placed on fire department connections (FDCs) when a sprinkler system is fully out of service? A. Red disc. B. Blue disc. C. White disc. D. Green disc. What is the minimum number of spare sprinkler heads required to be kept available on the premises for systems with under 300 sprinklers? A. 3 heads. B. 6 heads. C. 12 heads. D. 24 heads. How often must the fire department connection for a sprinkler system undergo a hydrostatic pressure test conducted by a master fire suppression piping contractor (MFSPC)? A. Annually. B. Every 2 years. C. Every 3 years. D. Every 5 years. If a minor defect found during inspection is not corrected within 30 days, what action must the COF holder take? A. Immediately shut down the system. B. Attempt the repair themselves. C. Report it in writing to the fire department. D. Ignore the defect until the next inspection. What is the minimum temperature that must be maintained in areas of buildings containing water-filled sprinkler piping? A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 50 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 60 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Which individual is primarily responsible for ensuring proper safety precautions are taken when a fire protection system is placed out of service? A. The impairment coordinator. B. The building tenant. C. The security guard. D. The responding firefighter. Under what circumstance must the fire department be notified regarding an out-of-service sprinkler system? A. If the system is out of service for 1 hour. B. If repairs cannot be completed within 8 hours. C. If the system is out of service on only 1 floor. D. If only minor adjustments are being made. What information must be included on the tag placed at system control valves when a system is out of service? A. The building's occupancy history. B. The name of the insurance provider. C. The cost estimate for the repairs. D. The area affected and time until operational. Which type of valve is commonly used as the main water supply control for sprinklers and is easily identified as open or closed by its stem position? A. Check valve. B. FDNY valve. C. Ball valve. D. Globe valve. What color should the fire department connection caps be painted for a combined standpipe/sprinkler system? A. Red. B. Green. C. Silver. D. Yellow. What is the primary function of an automatic ball drip device on a fire department connection? A. To prevent freezing in the connection. B. To increase water pressure. C. To measure water flow rate. D. To filter debris from the water. What is the minimum acceptable air pressure that must be maintained inside a pressure tank used for a sprinkler system? A. 25 psi. B. 50 psi. C. 100 psi. D. 75 psi. What is the primary purpose of a pressure maintenance pump, jockey pump? A. To boost pressure during a fire. B. To handle major system leaks. C. To drain the system for maintenance. D. To restore pressure from minor leaks. What action should be taken if sprinkler heads are found to be loaded with a hard buildup of foreign material? A. Clean them thoroughly with solvent. B. Replace them with new heads. C. Paint over the buildup. D. Increase the system water pressure. Where should spare sprinkler heads be stored? A. In a cabinet where temperatures don't exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit. B. Near the main electrical panel. C. In the boiler room. D. Outside near the fire department connection. What type of sprinkler head is designed to be installed with the deflector below the frame, directing water downward in an umbrella pattern? A. Upright sprinkler. B. Sidewall sprinkler. C. Concealed sprinkler. D. Pendant sprinkler. What is the maximum allowable concentration of propylene glycol in an antifreeze sprinkler system solution? A. 38%. B. 25%. C. 48%. D. 55%. How often must the freezing point of antifreeze solutions be tested? A. Monthly. B. Quarterly. C. Annually. D. Semi-annually. What is the primary difference between a standard response and a quick response sprinkler head? A. The orifice size. B. The glass bulb size or link size. C. The deflector shape. D. The thread type. In addition to detailed records, what must be posted near the main water supply control valve? A. A copy of the building floor plan. B. The COF holder's contact information. C. A list of emergency phone numbers. D. An approved card with inspection dates and signatures. Which individual is generally authorized to perform only visual inspections, notifications, and record-keeping for sprinkler systems? A. Master Plumber MP. B. Refrigeration Operating Engineer. C. S12/S15 COF holder. D. Master Fire Suppression Piping Contractor, MFSBC. What is indicated by a green tag placed on the main control valve? A. System fully out of service. B. System appears free of defects. C. System partially out of service. D. System requires immediate repair. What is the main purpose of a fire pump in a sprinkler system? A. To boost water pressure and volume. B. To heat the water in winter. C. To filter the water supply. D. To automatically drain the system. What action must be taken immediately if sprinkler heads have opened or been damaged? A. Notify the insurance company. B. Shut off the water supply. C. Conduct a full system flush. D. Replace them with similar heads. What is the purpose of a hydraulic placard attached to a sprinkler system riser? A. To list the system components. B. To show the date of the last inspection. C. To indicate design, density, and flow requirements. D. To provide emergency contact information. What is the maximum spacing allowed between hangers for standard wall steel pipe with diameters of 1.5 inches or larger? A. 10 feet. B. 15 feet. C. 12 feet. D. 20 feet.